Today we're out here with a cord. This guy. Driver's side axle and doing driver's side wheel bearing and hub. These are a pain in the butt because you literally have to remove the entire bearing and hub assembly, which sits over top of the caliper, or the rotor. What a pain in the butt. So you gotta pull the hub and bearing out of the spindle. There's 4 bolts. And the easy way to do it that I've learned, screw the bolts, take them out, the longer bolts, screw them in and just pound it out. It's not pressed in there, but it is screwed in there pretty tightly, so people get that confused. You don't really need to take it to someone to get, removed from a press or anything like that. It just has these 4 bolts right here, and you just unscrew them and then just get longer ones and pound them out like I was saying, and then it really just sits here around the bearing, so it's not too bad, but it is a pain in the butt.